thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:45 p.m. for northeastern Shenandoah, Frederick, northern Warren and Clark counties in northwestern Virginia, northeastern Hardee and southeastern Hampshire counties in eastern West Virginia, and the city of Winchester. At 4:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Stephen City, Oregon, 7 miles southwest of Winchester, moving east at 55 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for portions of northern Virginia, especially including the city of Winchester and Stephen City. Hazard, 90 miles per hour wind gusts and tennis ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Many mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Many homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. Locations impacted include Winchester, Strasburg, Millwood Pike, Berryville, Stephen City, Star Tannery, Middletown, Boise, Highview, White.
Baltimore.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Carroll County in north-central Maryland, northwestern Harford County in northern Maryland, northern Baltimore County in northern Maryland until 5 p.m. At 4:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Westminster, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Cockeysville, Westminster, Bel Air South, Bel Air North, Timonium, Fallston, Hampstead, Manchester, Kingsville, Pleasant Hills, Jarrettsville, Lutherville, Timonium, Etchwood, Joppatone, Pilesville, Glen Arm, Carrollton, Upperco, Cardiff, and Forest Hill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.